Meet the Ooni Karu 2 Pro Multi-Fuel Pizza Oven. Let's take a closer look. Karu 2 Pro's 17-inch wide cooking surface and 5.7-inch internal oven height allow you to make everything from family-sized 16-inch pizzas to whole roast chickens, hefty tomahawk steaks, tall loaves of bread, and so much more. Karu 2 Pro's integrated Ooni Connect digital temperature hub takes the guesswork out of cooking. You can monitor the temperature on the front-mounted display or send it straight to your phone via Bluetooth. Karu 2 Pro also comes with a digital food probe, allowing you to easily monitor the temperature of meats as they roast. The front-mounted display provides instant temperature readings which can be sent straight to your phone via Ooni Connect and the Ooni app. Karu 2 Pro can maintain top temperatures for the entirety of your pizza party. Plus, the 15mm thick pizza stone offers excellent heat retention, so you can keep churning out hot, fresh pizzas until your guests are satisfied. You can choose between cooking with wood or charcoal for a traditional experience and smoky flavors, or opt for gas for unbeatable convenience. And if you prefer a more personalized experience, Karu 2 Pro's advanced temperature control system allows you to adjust the chimney and rear baffles for ultimate control and consistent temperatures. Keep an eye on your pizza without losing heat with Karu 2's extra-large borosilicate glass door. Ooni Clearview technology minimizes soot and ash buildup on the glass. This is Ooni's most versatile and professional quality oven yet. And just like all of our ovens, the Karu 2 Pro can cook pizzas and more to world-class standards. We can't wait for you to try it out.